Alright, welcome to Oakley Hour. So this is a very quick video actually about cases. So this is what I do. I do my cases slightly different. I bought, or I found on Amazon, because I wasn't very good at the cases, I have to be honest with you. So I bought from Amazon, if I can get the packet open, some corners. They come with screws and everything. I don't use those because it's not appropriate for doing this. So for most cases you are going to need 8 of these. For this particular one I'm building it for the coffee house build I've just done, and I'm going to be needing 7 because it's too tight at the bottom to put one of these, so that will need to have some glue instead. So what I do is I work out what's going where. So normally you have 2 the same for the sides, 2 the same for the width, and then 1 which is different for the roof top, basically. So I work it out. So this one's the different one, which is going to be the roof. So then I will peel off only one side of this, and I will peel the corners off of the rest, and this is just to stop any fingerprints getting on it. If I remove everything, then I'm going to get fingerprints everywhere. Let me get on and do that. But the roof one, I peel the whole side on the inside, just because it's so difficult to peel after the event. So these ones I would generally peel, maybe not just the corners, I'll probably peel across here. So let me come and do that. Right, and then what you do is you measure it against your model to see which way it needs to go up. In this case, this is the height of the model, so I'm going to want one of these at the top and also one at the bottom. So I've just peeled it a little way, so I'm going to put one at the top, which will be used for both the top and the side coming out like this. And I'm just going to use, you can use whatever glue you want really, other than super glue. Don't use super glue because it kind of messes up your glass plastic. So just try and get it into the corner and let it set. So I just put a blob on here and I get any out. It is running low, keep saying I'm going to replace it, I've got more. And just put it into the corner, right into the corner as best you can, and just leave this paper on to take off later. It just saves you getting fingerprints all over it, like so. And then I'm going to put one at the bottom, because this particular one, I might even wait for the bottom ones on this, because, well, this one's okay. I know this one's okay because I know which one it's going. But I do have one that I can't do one of the bottom pieces. And then just stick them on here. So you are still going to see this on the outside, but if you can get it, the cases that work better than that, then all good. You kind of need to work out the direction of how it's going and things like that first before you start messing with this. So that's kind of how that's going. I peeled off one side of the back, the top rather, so you can see which way it goes just by the measurement. So then what I'll do is, this is all been peeled, the whole side here. So what I'll do is I'll put that on there, and that's my roof. And then I will go and test it to make sure that that works alright. So let's see. And then I'll let it dry, just make sure it's in the right spot. They are very slippery until they dry, so they're very easy to move. And this is what I have found works for me. I'm not saying it works for everyone. And I just got these little clips from Amazon. Can't remember which way around it went now. That way. And just don't do it with the paper on, believe it or not. Shocking horror. And with this, I can see it should go like that. and then just leave it to take, and then carry on and just work out which corners you're going to need it on. This will have this, or was I going to put the top on here? Can't remember. No, this will have a side on, a front, a back, a front or a back. Gosh, can't get the words. So yeah, and then just wait, and I will show you how it looks once I've got them all on and roughly ready to rock and roll, and before I start peeling it all, which takes effort, and you really have to wait for it to dry. Don't try and peel it before it's dry. Right, and this is kind of how it looks with 3 sides on it. It's not, I haven't done the tops or anything yet, except for one, and I did that accidentally. So this is your base down there. So now what I'm going to do before I put that last side on it is take the inside paper off, because otherwise it's going to get too difficult to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and put that last side on, and then work on these top corners. Like I said, I can only actually do 3 of the corners because of the way the model is for this one. But if it's the other type of frames, some of them fit all the way to the bottom, some just rest on the bases. It depends on the frame. The model, not the frame. Alright, and this is what we look like. So I've got all 4 corners around the bottom and 3 on the top. And this one, I've peeled the edges away, and there's just a tiny bit of glue on the inside. So you really have to look at your model and how it's going to sit on your model as to whether this would even work. This particular model this dust cover rather, is for the coffee house model, and it sits on top of the base. So others you might find going over the base, for instance, in which case this wouldn't work whatsoever. So what I do is I get these. They come with 8 corners, and they come with loads of screws and things like that, which wouldn't work for the purposes that I'm doing, or at least I don't think it would. I think I tried once and it just didn't work. Move that to one side. Anyway, so that's kind of how they are working, and this is how it looks. So it looks pretty good. Needs dusting from all the paper flakes and stuff, but the principle is there, and you can see quite clearly through the glass plastic. So when I used to do these before, I obviously had several models with them, and I tried and really ended up making quite the mess of the whole thing. So then I just refused to do it. And one day I was like searching, and it was like, well, there must be an alternative way to do this, because obviously I don't have the skill set involved. I was using clamps, I was using everything you can think of to make it work, and they still looked pretty crap, really. And they also didn't hold together, which these do enable it to have some sort of strength. Like I say, just can't put one on this back one here. It's just too close to the side, and this does sit on top of the base, so you can see it just sits on top. Anyway, they're only about, gosh, I hate to promote the company, but £6.50 from Amazon gives you 2 packs. First time I ordered them, it took about 2.5 weeks to come. After that, they were just a few days. So just a thought. I will give this a polish in a bit, make sure it's fully set, so probably tomorrow, and we should be looking good. Anyway, that's what I do. Just an idea in case you have any issues yourself. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave any comments, I do appreciate them, and I will get back to you. Or you can email me, which is at the end of the video, opaleyhour@outlook.com. And most of all, do take care of yourself, and thank you for joining me on this journey.